Hello everyone and welcome to this video on understanding the Stellar Consensus Protocol, also known as SCP. In this video, we're going to take a deep dive into how the Stellar blockchain reaches agreement across a decentralized network. In our previous sessions, we covered what blockchain is, how blockchain transactions work, why decentralization matters, and why consensus is necessary. Here we're going to zoom in specifically on how Stellar achieves consensus and why its approach is unique, elegant, efficient, and powerful. Most blockchains rely on mining like Bitcoin or staking like Ethereum. Stellar does neither. Instead, it uses special mechanism called Federated Byzantine Agreement, or FBA, implemented through the Stellar Consensus Protocol. This allows Stellar to achieve fast transaction finality, low fees, high security, strong decentralization, and excellent energy efficiency. By the end of this section, you will understand how Stellar reaches agreement, you'll understand how trust is built without a central authority, and gain deep insight into one of the most advanced consensus systems in blockchain. This knowledge is extremely important, especially if you want to build on Stellar, design scalable blockchain systems, or understand how modern financial blockchain operates. So let's begin. Let's start by quickly looking at what we'll be covering. First, we'll introduce what Stellar Consensus Protocol is and why it exists. Then we'll move into the core concepts behind it. After that, we'll look at accounts in Stellar, trust lines, assets, and how everything ties together in the Stellar ledger. By structuring the section this way, we move from why to how to architecture and then to real world system design. This is important because we don't just want to memorize definitions, we want to understand how everything connects. By the end of this section, Stellar's consensus system should feel logical, structured, and intuitive. And most importantly, you should understand why Stellar chose this design instead of mining or staking. So let's start at the very beginning. Why do we even need consensus in blockchain?